Okay, class, it's time for lesson. Mrs. Amy, I need to use the bathroom. Okay, Doc, kick the body, but be quick. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, class, there's a fire alarm. We need to get outside. Wait a second, there was an alarm for nothing. Who pulled the fire alarm? Wait, I knew who it was. Who was it, Peppa Pig? It was Doc Kick the Body. He did it. Oh, Doc Kick the Body. How do you pull the fire alarm? That's it. I'm calling the police on you. No, 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 no. Hello, is this police officer? Good. Doc Kick the Body at school pulled the fire alarm. Can you please come and arrest him? Thanks. Goodbye. You are under arrest for pulling the fire alarm at school. No, 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 no. This is your cell. Now get in there. And you also have a visitor coming to you. Oh, hi, Kick the Body. Are you here to bail me out? Absolutely not. Doc Kick the Body, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know that's illegal. That's it. You are grounded until your sentence ends. Now stay in your cell. Goodbye. What?